We're going to have a series of rapid-fire, unfiltered questions. So feel free to answer how you feel. You won't have to give long answers. Just short answers are fine. Okay. So I think we can start. Describe your photography in 3 words.
Perspective, emotions, and decisive moment.
Okay, cool. If you weren't a photographer, who would you be?
I want to be a Malayalam hero.
What is that?
I'm saying it's a South Indian villain.
Ah, okay.
I want to be South
Interesting.
Indian movies villain.
Oh! Okay, no, sorry, that was a bit loud, but I love the answer. Sorry. Okay. 3 icons who inspired you. 3 iconic photographers who inspired you.
Henry Cartier-Bresson, Raghuveer Singh, and Raghu Rai.
Okay, cool. What's the last photo you took with your phone?
I took my nephew's photos.
Cute. What's your favorite camera?
Canon 550D.
How much does technique matter in your photography from 1 to 10?
6.
Okay. What's a technical mistake that is now part of your style? Something you don't care, it's a mistake.
I can't control the exposure properly.
Okay. The most beautiful place you've ever photographed?
Varanasi.
What's your favorite animal?
It's dog.
If your photography had a theme song, what would it be?
It's related with the animal, I think.
Okay. Kind of music genre would it be? Like jazz, soul, rock? I don't know, rap?
It's rock.
Rock. Oh,
yeah,
interesting.
Because animals are crazy. They move very fastly. So rock will be the perfect combination.
I would have thought punk or something more metal.
Yeah.
You know? But it's fair. If your photography were a movie, what genre would it be? So dramatic, superheroes, or I don't know, fiction?
It's a thriller.
Thriller.
So, people should wait. The viewer should wait the end moment, till the end moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you could only photograph one type of animal for the rest of your career, what would you choose?
That means which animal I will choose to photograph.
If you could take pictures of just one type of animal, which one would you choose?
Cat.
Okay. Yeah, they're very dynamic.
Yeah, very dynamic.
Very elegant as well, right?
They
A
have
little
the
bit
rough
sassy.
look also.
Yeah,
They have tough
and they're
look.
fun.
Yeah.
True. Okay, cool. Okay. What's the best compliment someone has ever given you about your work?
The best comment, my teacher never comment on my photos. So one day he commented in my photos, Enamul's photo will go in a long run. That is the best comment of my life.
Yeah, that's also true, I'd say. Yes. What's one thing people always get wrong about your photography?
They think I carry the animal.
Oh, interesting. They really think that.
Someone says, you do some magic with the animals. That's why they always with you.
In the perfect spots.
Yeah.
They think I influence the animal, so they are giving the pose for me.
Oh, so they think you're giving them treats, basically.
Something like.
I mean, that's a strategy. That's a
Yeah.
valid strategy. And what's one word to summarize your work?
Okay. Emotions.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, one last question.
Yes.
If you could take a photo right now, what would it be?
A cat jump over your head.
Oh, yeah, like Dali, like the one picture that.
like Dhali.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
I love the one shot.
Cool.
It's so crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, we can have now another round of quick questions, and we'll give you two options. So this or that.
Okay.
Okay, we have a few topics, and would you like to start with the photography legends?
Yes, I will start off. So I want to ask you, Henri Cartier-Bresson or Sebastiano Salgado?
Harry Cartier-Bresson.
Okay. Henri Cartier-Bresson or Daido Moriyama?
Harry Cartier-Bresson.
Okay. Henri Cartier-Bresson or Vivian Mayer?
Vivian Mayer.
Nice. Vivian Mayer or Robert Frank?
Robert Frank.
Robert Frank or Martin Parr?
Robert Frank.
Robert Frank or Mary Ellen Mark?
Mary Ellen Moore.
Mary Ellen Mark or Joel Meyerowitz?
Joel Marriott.
Okay, I see you're having fun. I see a smirk on your face.
Yeah, yeah.
Joel Meyerowitz or Diane Arbus?
Daniel Arbus. I
Diane
wish
Arbus.
Daniel Arbus live along.
Yeah,
Yeah.
agreed. Totally agreed. Diane Arbus or Steve McCurry?
Daniel Arbus.
Diane Arbus. Diane Arbus or Gary Winogrand?
Gary Winogrand.
Okay, we have a winner. Yeah, Gary Winogrand is definitely a fan favorite.
Yeah.
He's been winning. He's been winning a lot of these games that we've done with your colleagues. Okay, I think we can have another round.
Yes.
It's very fun.
Go ahead.
Directors. We're going with directors this time.
Okay.
Okay, so Stanley Kubrick or Wes Anderson?
Stellan Kubrick.
Okay, Stanley Kubrick or Alfred Hitchcock?
Hitchcock.
Okay, Hitchcock or Wim Wenders?
Hitchcock.
Okay, Hitchcock or Sergio Leone?
Sergio Leone.
Okay, Sergio Leone or David Lynch?
David Lynch.
David Lynch or Christopher Nolan?
Christopher Nolan.
Christopher Nolan or Quentin Tarantino?
Christopher Nolan.
Okay, last one. Christopher Nolan or Sofia Coppola?
Christopher Nolan.
Okay, we have a winner. We love that for you. Okay, do you want to do another round or like with technical preferences or something like that?
Yes, we can try with that. We
Yeah.
can definitely try last round.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, black and white or color photography?
Color.
Flash or analog or digital?
Analog.
Analog. Okay, cool. Flash or natural light?
Natural light.
Shooting up close or from far?
Up close.
Morning light or late night light?
Morning light.
Okay. Leica or Fujifilm?
I like both. I wish I have Leica. Definitely Leica.
Definitely Leica. Okay,
Okay.
cool. Why so? Just a curiosity of mine.
Because Leica has a great legacy. I think definitely everyone want to be a Leica with you. I know it's very expensive, but I think
Yeah.
maximum photographers wish he has a Leica also.
And with that, okay, cool. Fixed lens or zoom?
Fixed.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Okay, I think we have so much material to chew on. It was an amazing run.
Yes.
Yeah. We hope you had as much fun as we had with you.
Yeah. I was so nervous, but I am not so much nervous now.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, I'm glad you were able to relax a bit. Okay,
Did
so
it make you feel comfortable enough?
yeah,
We hope
Yeah.
if
It's I
Okay.
feel very comfortable. I enjoy the whole part. It's really nice to talk to with you virtually.
thank you.
likewise, you're such a great person as well.
Yeah,
So
no,
thank
absolutely.
you for being with us.
No.
Really.
Okay.
We're done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So that's it.
it's a wrap.
I am grateful to all of you to give me the scope, give me the opportunity to show my work. As I said at the earlier, I never expect my person like me when I spread the news, my book is coming. Everyone was so happy and saying, "You are the first person who do the street photography in Dhaka and having an independent book, and it's publishing from an international publishing house. It's amazing. So it's definitely I am grateful to all of you.
You need to be grateful to your talent. Kabir.
Yeah,
Always
absolutely.
remember that.